vijana, there is no future. Ile inasemekana vijana ni wakili. You only live once. So the best thing you can do for yourself at this particular moment is to remain focused, and to remain focused in 3 items. 1, you conduct yourself in a proper way, whereby you don't engage in some social activities which will retrogress or retard your development as an individual. Secondly, you must focus on education, whereby you don't specialize on one item or in one area. For you to be a well-nurtured system in future, you must be very good in academics. So masomo ikuwe ndio number 1. Number 3, as you are aware, vijana hakuna kazi huko nje. So you have an option to diversify your specialization or your talents. That when you go out there, when you grow up, I see most of you are young, bado mko mbali, you can be able to fit into our society in any of the sectors which are available. The reason why I'm saying this, if you look at the international level, sports is a multi-billion industry. So what we need to do as a country, as a county, is to come up with a legal framework, legal policy framework, to ensure that we provide for a way through our education system of identifying specialized talents and nurturing them mpaka sifike mwisho. So vijana, part of my social corporate responsibility, because mimi nimeona nyinyi mnajua mambo ya mpira, nimewaletea zawadi kama mpira na uniform. What I want, tusifike tu tuzegemee mpira, you diversify your skills, ukuwe pia uko mzuri kwa masomo, pia uingie ujaribu kukimbia, pia there are so many good runners tumeona Manyara doing very well, being paid a lot of millions, na anakaa vizuri. The reason why I saying this, Kenya sasa kuna kazi iko tena kwa ofisi. Even if I work in a formal sector, I do a lot of businesses outside that formal employment. And that's why I can move around and survive around and conduct myself in a professional way. So these are the talents we need to nurture, and I want to encourage our leaders, especially those ones who are in the county, to come up with a legal framework of tracing and ensuring that they secure our talents, young talents, wherever they are in Nyamira. You want what I want to do? 20 Kemoni na akini watega. Naro maito Mongolis. You go what we are saying. No one Nyabisimba. No one Motagara. No one Makureni. Oh, Manayo, I make it easy. Only you comment. Tuaje kuingiana na mambo ya drugs. Like that one I want to be very categorical. We don't join bad groups. Tuaje kuingia mambo ya crime. We participate in communal activities. Kama kwenda kanisa, kama kucheza mpira hii mnafanya. Ukipata nafasi nyingine, rudi nyumbani pale jioni, soma. Ndio upate nafasi ya kudiversify mahali where you can fit in future. If you don't do that, maambira masamba to kuru tene tonga ne ketoka dia si kuru oro. Ingia si kuru kuru. Baka na ipa na mu asi kuru ina kwa mo ko. Ko kuru. But when in the future, God willing, if I get a chance to serve our people in Nyamira, I will ensure those things tatuliwa. I will ensure each ward iko na sports club mahali vijana mtachezea mpira na mtakimbia na mtafanya mambo ya ICT. That's my strategy. Ya tatu, I will ensure kuna sheria inaruhusu walimu wale wako kwa mashule kuangalia, wakiona huyu mtoto anajua mpira, huyu anajua kuimba, huyu anajua drama, tumemtoa pale, tumemweka in a specialized school funded by the county, ambao you can develop these skills, ukue mtu ndio upate mahali utaingia mbele. So that is my strategy, but today in a very humble way I'm here to donate some sports kits mtumie kama vijana wetu hapa. Ndio kwa nini